Alright, I want to show you this super cool solar powered bird feeder water pump, water fountain. Basically, I just opened the box and there's a solar panel here connected to quite a long wire actually, which is pretty cool. And then this suction cups to the bottom of the bird feeder, and then this is the base for the water pump. So the water pump, you can, if you have a little bit deeper fountain, you can put this on this base. It comes with 8 different spray nozzles, so we'd go see what the different fountains are. Other than that, it's a pretty cool little product. We're going to go outside, set the bird feeder up, and install it. Give it a look. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me so we can test it all out. So far, it looks really fun. There's 7 different heads and solar power. You just set it up in the bird feeder, no fuss, and watch the birds enjoy a bath. Alright, well that's pretty cool. Got this set up here in my all wooden bird feeder out here. If you cover the solar panel, it turns right off, or it looks like it'll get extra power and squirt too much. Oh my. Let's try another one of these. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. Okay, I need to shade it a little bit. Alright, I'm going to put this in my fountain, and it'll definitely work better in my big fountain. I just don't have it out for the summer yet, but let's look. There's all kinds of different nozzles here I can try. They're really squirting. That is totally awesome. Like I said, this bird feeder is a little bit too small, obviously, for this application. But wow, it's working like crazy. Lots of different tips on it. Well, there's a good one. And then this contraption comes off, and I can put these on it. Oh, that's cool. I like that one. All right. So once again, this is a nice little solar bird feeder with 7 or 8 tips, and it works really good.